Guys, check this out. I just found an abandoned bus. Look at that. That looks like it's was a cabin. Check this out. How long has this been here? Holy moly, look at how deep, you know how deep the tires are. Look, can you see it on the other side? That's crazy. There's a couple of chairs over there. I came from way over here. My house is way over that way. Look, you can see the whole outline right up to here. Look at that. Look, here's the hood of the bus, the engine, right there. Seriously. I don't think it'll start. I mean, she's a fixer-upper. That's crazy. Look at that. Shopping cart. Guys, this is crazy. I do have my bear spray and my hunting knife on me, just because it's spring and there's definitely bears in this area. But this is so cool. It's pretty unlikely anything's gonna come up on me with the machine running. That's why I left it running. But that's crazy. This is super cool. I should come out here at night. That'd be creepy. And look at this. Look how dull these lights are. I just installed these. I put the switch down here. Look at that. Let's test them out at night. Oh, I don't even want to go in here, guys. Whoa, look at that floor is soggy, man. Could be something living underneath there. Guys, check that out. An abandoned bus. Like in the middle of nowhere. Like, that's not even a road. That's usually like chest-high grass. I just caught it. I caught a glimpse of it coming down the road. I was like, what is that? This is super cool. Crazy. All right, well, short video. I just went to go four-wheeling and it's starting to rain. Just wanted to go for a quick little ride. I just installed those lights before it starts pouring, and then I found this, and I just happened to put the camera on. I said I'll record, you never know. Look at that. All right, there you go. I should come here at night. That'd be really spooky. Okay, I'm gonna carry on. That is super cool. All right, I'll upload it. Well, obviously, if you guys are watching this, it's I'm gonna upload it, but it'll be a quick video. sank down in that snow pretty quick. I put her in forward just to back up, or I was sinking deep. All right, let's go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. That was random, but that was cool.